A lot of people don't know that Windows 11 has a setting called Delivery Optimization, and it slows down your PC. This setting is turned on by default, and we'll show you how to turn it off. But first, let's quickly explain what Delivery Optimization is, just so you understand. Delivery Optimization pulls Windows updates from multiple places, like other PCs on your network, others on the internet, not just Microsoft. But the problem is, Delivery Optimization competes with your other system resources and it slows performance. And you can turn the setting off because there's no need to use it. To turn off Delivery Optimization in Windows 11, either open your settings from the menu or search for it down here if need be. After you open them, on the left side, click Windows Updates, then Advanced Options. Scroll down a bit and click Delivery Optimization. The next step is to turn off Allow Downloads from other devices. And that's all you need to do. The only word of caution here is to recognize that Microsoft might re-enable this feature in a future update. So it's a good idea to check this every now and then just to make sure they didn't do anything sneaky. But speaking of sneaky, here's something else most people don't know. Every time you copy and paste, that information gets placed on the Windows clipboard. And by default, that data gets synced with Microsoft servers, which may be another security risk. To learn more about how the Windows clipboard works, watch this.